Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In tonight's video I'm going to be making a special video. This is a request from Izuki Chan over on my channel, who commented on one of my latest videos and asked me if I would draw a manga character for him. He asked for Akashi Seijuro from Basketball Kuroko, and this is a manga cartoon, very popular manga cartoon, and it's actually the first manga cartoon drawing that I've done. So here you go, Izuki. I really hope you enjoy this. I hope I got this character just right. It was quite a challenge, but I really enjoyed doing it. I used my Copic markers and the Winsor & Newton markers. The most challenging part really was just getting the features correct. The eyes really stand out. Akashi has two different coloured eyes, so he has a pink eye and a goldy coloured eye, and I hope that comes through in the drawing. As always, I freehanded this out with a pencil, and then I went over it with my Faber-Castell markers. For the blue around the collar, I used a ultramarine blue. For the red in the hair, I used a lipstick red, cardamom, and I used a dark grey, cool grey 7 I think it was, and I also pulled out some darker areas with a cardinal, which is a maroony coloured, like almost a brown. For the face, I used a sand and a powder pink for the lighter areas. This took me roughly about 3 hours to complete from start to finish, so I'm really happy with it. I'm quite happy with how it turned out. I hope that you're enjoying this. I really enjoyed drawing the manga style. It sort of suits my style of drawing, the proportions and the way that the lines in the hair and things like that move. I really enjoyed it, so I'll definitely be doing some more of these in the future. If this is the first time you visited my channel, thank you so much for clicking the thumbnail. I really appreciate it. It really means an awful lot to small YouTube channels like my own, where people do like, comment, subscribe. It makes a huge difference to the channel in terms of the growth. I've been really enjoying doing these daily videos so far, so if you've not checked some of my other videos out, go ahead and do that. I've done everything from cartoon characters from video games all the way up to movie characters. I do hyper-realistic graphite drawings as well, so be sure to check those out. If you've subscribed, thank you so much. If not, why not consider subscribing to my channel? Click the notifications icon, because I will be releasing daily content, and you can get hold of me on all the social media platforms. Links to everything are in the descriptions below, as are the links to all of the equipment that I use, going right from the pencils all the way up to the markers that I'm using, including the Copic markers and the Winsor & Newton markers. So we're nearing the end of this video now. So Izuki Chan, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for commenting on my last video. Let's hear what you think about this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.